Hello everyone, today we are going to learn about a very interesting idiom. To be in hot water. Yes, to be in hot water. Doesn't it sound very interesting? Let's learn more about this. In hot water. This idiom means to be in or to get into a troublesome or difficult situation in which one is likely to be punished or criticized. I hope you have understood a little. You will understand it more by some examples. So let's take example 1. I have accidentally deleted my wife's all the photographs. Oh no. You are in hot water now. See? So, friend 1 here said that he has accidentally deleted his wife's all the photographs. And second friend is saying, you are in big trouble now. So, instead of saying you are in big trouble now, the person has said that you are in hot water now. Let's take one more example. He is in so much hot water for arguing with his mother. Hope you have understood the meaning of this idiom and you will also use it. If you use it, please let me know in the comment section. I will be really happy to know. This is Anushree signing off. Thank you.